Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Welcome to our new video on budgeting guide for beginners. Budgeting is an essential part of managing your finances and reaching your financial goals. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your budgeting skills, this video will provide you with valuable tips and strategies to help you budget your money effectively. So get ready to learn some essential budgeting skills. Tip number 1. Start with a plan. The first step in budgeting is to create a plan. This means setting specific financial goals for yourself and determining how much money you will need to achieve them. Once you have a plan in place, you can start to figure out how to allocate your money to reach your goals. Tip number 2. Track your expenses. The next step in budgeting is to track your expenses. This means keeping a record of all the money you spend, including things like rent, groceries, and entertainment. By tracking your expenses, you can see where your money is going and identify areas where you may be overspending. Tip number 3. Set limits. Once you know where your money is going, you can start to set limits on your spending. This means deciding how much you are willing to spend on different categories, such as housing, food, and entertainment. By setting limits, you can ensure that you are not overspending and that you have enough money left over to reach your financial goals. Tip number 4. Prioritize your expenses. When it comes to budgeting, it's important to prioritize your expenses. This means focusing on the most important things first, such as housing and food, and then working your way down the list. By prioritizing your expenses, you can make sure that you are spending your money on the things that matter most to you. Tip number 5. Review your budget regularly. Finally, it's important to review your budget regularly. This means taking the time to look at your spending and see how it compares to your plan. By reviewing your budget regularly, you can identify areas where you may be overspending and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, budgeting is an essential part of achieving your financial goals. By following these tips, you can budget your money effectively, reach your goals, and take control of your finances. Remember to start with a plan, track your expenses, set limits, prioritize your expenses, and review your budget regularly. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found these budgeting tips helpful. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more financial literacy videos in the future. And please leave a comment below to let us know what other topics you would like to see in the future. Happy budgeting!